Feel uninvited. Left home in West LA, I'm not excited. So uninspired. On my way to play the bay while you're alone.
Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video is going to be my last cleaning video for my summer cleaning series. If you guys are brand new here, hey, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So this week I did a summer cleaning series that ran Monday through Friday. Like I said, if you're brand new here and are just catching up, definitely check out the description box and I'll have the playlist linked down below. But essentially I started this series because I wanted to get myself back into the habit of cleaning daily and just kind of establishing those cleaning habits. So I just decided that I would take you guys along for the ride and film all of the cleaning that I've done. So I've uploaded a cleaning video every day for the past 5 days, the past 4 days. This is the 5th video. But thank you guys so much for the support on this series. I'm really happy to know that you guys are enjoying it and it's motivating, and you guys are getting some cleaning done yourself and kind of going through similar struggles. So I really, really appreciate all the support. So today's video is kind of more of the same. I apologize if these videos are getting repetitive, but in today's video, I'm just going to be doing a quick sweep through of the kind of main living areas of my house. So my kitchen, my dining room, and my living room. My kitchen is not perfect. I definitely had a lot of dishes left in the sink that needed to soak, so please forgive me on that. My dishwasher was already running when I started filming. I also wanted to ask you guys a question. So this is Friday's video, and I've really been getting into that habit the past few weeks of doing a pretty, it varies from week to week, but I do like to do a pretty thorough cleaning either Thursday or Friday. Obviously this week it wasn't super thorough, but I always like to go through my house and give like a good once over on, like I said, Thursday or Friday and get myself set up for the weekend. And I really enjoy rolling into the weekend with a clean house. I've also started like doing my grocery shopping on Thursdays or Fridays so I can have a full fridge. If you guys aren't following Begin at Home on Instagram, she's the one that started Full Fridge Fridays. I'll have her stuff linked in the description box. But in any case, I'm thinking about starting a new series on my channel, or just like kind of like a running kind of video on my channel every Friday, being like a whole house clean with me, or just some type of cleaning motivation on Fridays. I can't guarantee that it'll be a huge one, but at least some type of like something like this, like either a 10-minute clean with me or maybe something a little bit more thorough, like a whole house clean with me. Let me know what you guys think, and let me know your cleaning habits. Like if you guys do clean on Fridays, or if you're more like clean on Sunday and get ready for the week. But me personally, like I said, I've been kind of flipping it, and I've really been enjoying cleaning on Thursday or Friday and having the weekend to just really enjoy myself and just relax rather than cleaning on like Saturday morning or Sunday morning. So totally up to you guys. Let me know. I definitely am thinking of starting the regular Friday upload, but I'm always open to suggestions. So with all that being said, I'm going to stop talking. I'm so sorry. I'm going to let some music play for the rest of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Definitely check the description box if you're looking for more info on the summer cleaning series. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you next time.
Girl's a wonder. She loves me, yeah, she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Why don't you love me, love me, love me? Touch me, touch me, touch me no more. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Love me, love me, love me. Touch me, touch me, touch me. I'm so divided, starstruck, but hate has got some indecisive. I'm over fighting. I just can't wake up cold and sleep alone. This boy's some trouble. When he's around, my problems seem like double. His stupid eyes put me on ice, so no, no.
how you've been told. Don't blink, don't run, don't turn left or turn right or look straight at the sun. My mind's gone in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place where all this began. Just start again. Oh, you won't see the light until the dawn breaks. No, till it's all said and done, you won't know what it takes. Gotta make a wrong turn and turn around. Gotta fall fast to pick yourself up off the ground. Until you get lost, you'll never be found, and you can't start again until you break down. Break down. Until you break down. They said, be meek. Look beneath the bed before you go to sleep. Keep on, I shine. You'll surely get burned if you reach out and touch. My mind is a battle, I'm trying to hide it.